Welcome to our commonly confused series. A confusing point for both native and foreign English speakers is whether to use used to or used to in a phrase. Used to is used to describe an action that was common or ongoing previously but no longer occurring. Example: this building used to be a hospital but has been converted into a school. As a general rule, since the action described is in the past, it is correct to use the past tense, used to. Example: I used to like dogs, but I got bit by one last month and now they scare me. The only circumstance you could correctly say used to is in combination with the word did, since did is already in past tense, used to is the proper way to follow it. Example: I did used to like dogs, but I got bit by one last month and now they scare me. This is an informal way of speaking and is not as commonly used. It can also be used as an adjective when preceded by to be, that means to have become accustomed to something. If it is used as an adjective, it will always be written in past tense with ed. Example: my parents are used to me coming home late. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.